Okay, I'm coming through the gates. Don't let it scare you. Good girl. I can't believe I was able to leave, drive over to the house, go in and out these gates, and she's acting like she's done this every day. What a good girl you are. Yeah, it's all right. Good girl, Rue. Good girl. What are you doing? You a mouse? Huh? You a mouse? Here it comes. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Good girl, you found it. Got another one over here for you. Yeah, I got another one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, it goes all the way down there. You can go down that way. Look at you, got all that space down there. What a good girl. What a good girl. Yeah. What happened? In her mouse? In her mouse? I got one. It's a small one here. Saving the big ones to maybe get you back in. 1, 2, 3. Good girl. I can't stand it. I'm almost crying. Oh. You're liking eating all the grass, huh? Don't eat too much. You're going to get a tummy ache. Got another mouse here for you. Want that? Hey, 1, 2, 3. See what you've been missing out on? Oh, this took a lot of work. Watch me not be able to get you back in, or you not want to come back out again tomorrow. We'll start. Check out that tunnel. Check out that tunnel. God, she's beautiful. She's checking out the whole place. It's all right. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, some things are going to be a little scary. What's down there? Yeah. I know, you haven't been able to see all the way down there. So it's a little scary. It's okay. That's okay. Wait. Hi. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. I was going to try to get the whole length of the thing before you caught up with me. Not likely to happen, huh? Not likely to happen. What? Get over here. Come here. Roo, come here. Come on. Come on, baby girl. What's this up here? Look it. What? What am I doing? What am I doing? Isn't this fun? What's she doing? What's she doing? You can come up here? Get up there. Get up there. Come on. Get your tail. Oh, God. I was beginning to wonder if this day was going to come. Crazy girl. Local coyote. How did you find something like that? Roo, don't eat that. Come here. I got a rat. What's this? What's this, Roo? She's got a plastic glove. How did she find that? What's this? Ready? Ready? 1. Oops, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3. Did you get it? Good girl. Good girl. I'm going to go find that glove. Yes, I'm going to go find that glove. You can't have the glove. You can't have the glove. No, you can't. Can I have that? Can I have the glove? Can I have that glove? Yeah. It's all right. Can I have it? Huh? Can I? I know it's got stinky stuff on it. Oh, goodness, I don't want you to have that. I don't want you to have that. You can't have it. You can't have it. You can't. Hi, honey. You being good? What was that? Oh, God, please don't go get my phone. Okay. I got another wrap for you, but you're going to have to go in for that. Oh, my God. I don't want to ever make you go back in again. Yeah. See? Ooh. What's this? What's this? Come get this. Come get that toy. Get that toy. What? What do you see? What do you see? What are you seeing? What's this? 1, 2, 3. All sorts of good smells, huh? Is there all sorts of good smells? Hi. Hi. Whoop. Good smells, huh? Yeah, hi. No, honey. I thought your first time out you'd be so nervous. I thought you'd be so nervous. Come here. Roo. Come here. Hi. Hi. How are ya? How are ya? Wait. Get back here. You get back here. What are you doing? Look at you. You crazy girl. You crazy girl. How fun. Oh. You're crazy. You're crazy. What you doing? You get over here. You get over here. Oh, yeah. I think you're smiling.